Alright, now we're going to take a look at the same image with owl modification. In this owl version, notice that the conversation has been modified to become the two modes of communication that require output. Conversation isn't the only type of output we want from our students. Owl also added the word MRI to the brain. MRI means moving receptive language into view. But knowing what the acronym stands for is not nearly as important as understanding why teachers must use MRI strategies and how to use them. An MRI strategy in the classroom is exactly like an MRI machine in the hospital. It allows someone to see what's going on inside the body or brain. As teachers, we must use MRI strategies to know whether our comprehensible input has been comprehended. In the last module, when teachers called on just one student, you remember that? How both teachers just called on one student. Well, calling on just one student only allowed the teacher to see inside one student's brain. Assuming that because one student got it right means everyone got it right is not a best practice. We can't make assumptions about student learning. We need evidence. MRI strategies provide teachers with the evidence that all students did or did not, or somewhere in between, comprehend the input. If in the MRI strategy we realize the students didn't comprehend, then we must go back and provide more comprehensible input in a different way. We must not ask for output before we are certain the input has been comprehended. So, we want you to think I before O, input before output. We want you to think MRI, which means looking inside every student's brain to know if they're ready for the output. If all of these things are the given, in the post below, answer this question. What are you thinking about differently now that you've seen these images and read and heard the analysis?